We are studying the second chapter, Numbers and Sequences. Today's topic is Arithmetic Progression. We are doing exercise 2.5. The first 7 sums of this exercise 2.5 I have done in the previous video. Please go through that. We are going to start with sum number 8. If 3 plus k, 18 minus k, 5k plus 1 are in AP, that is arithmetic progression, then find k. Okay, so here this is an arithmetic progression. This is the first term T1, second term T2, and this is the third term T3. So I have written it down here. Okay, let us find out the common difference, that is T2 minus T1. Let's do it. T2 minus T1. So 18 minus k minus 3 plus k. Put it in a bracket like this. Now open the bracket. So this will become minus 3 minus k. Okay. This is equal to 18 minus 3 is 15. Minus k is minus 2k. So 15 minus 2k is equal to D, the common difference of an arithmetic progression. Let us now do T3 minus T2. So here it is T3 minus T2, 5k plus 1 minus 18 minus k, put it in a bracket. Open the bracket now, you will get minus 18, minus into minus plus k. So 5k plus 1 minus 18 plus k, simplify it, you get 6k minus 17, that is equal to D. Now these two are equal. T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2, which is the common difference in an arithmetic progression because they are in arithmetic progression. Okay, so I'm going to write 15 minus 2k is equal to 6k minus 17. Now simplify this. Okay, take 6k on the left side, it will become minus 6k. That will be minus 8k. Minus 2k minus 6k is minus 8k. On the right side, you're going to bring minus 15 here. So minus 17 minus 15 is minus 32. Minus will cancel. K will be 32 minus 8, that is 4. K is equal to 4 is the answer. Question 9. Find x, y, z given that the numbers x, 10, y, 24, z are in arithmetic progression. These are in arithmetic progression. They are the terms. Okay, this is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. Okay, since they are in arithmetic progression, I can say that 10 minus x is equal to y minus 10, which is the common difference, D. We call it D. Okay, 10 minus x is equal to y minus 10. Okay, similarly, I can say y minus 10 is equal to 24 minus y. I can also say 24 minus y is equal to z minus 24. So you get 3 equations. There are 3 unknown variables. So easily now we can find x, y and z because we have 3 equations. Okay, let's simplify this equation. You will get minus x minus y is plus 20. I'm bringing it on the left side is equal to 0. This, when you simplify, you bring this on the left hand side. Y plus y is equal to, bring 10 here, 10 plus 24. So 2y is equal to 34, y is equal to 17. So we already got the value of y directly. Y is equal to 17. Third equation, again you simplify, you will get y plus z is equal to 48. That will be the third equation. Y plus z is equal to 48. Now y is equal to 17. Put it here, the first equation. Simplify, you will get value of x as 3. Put y is equal to 17 on the third equation. Y is equal to 17. You will get the value of z. Z is equal to 48 minus 17, 31. So this is the answer. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 17, z is equal to 31. Question 10. In a theatre, there are 20 seats in the front row and 30 rows were allotted. Each successive row contains 2 additional seats than its front row. How many seats are there in the last row? So this is a theatre. The first row has got 20 seats. The second row will have 2 more seats. That means what? It will have 22 seats. Second row. Third row will have 2 more seats. That is 24 seats. 22 plus 2 is 24. So you can see that A is equal to 20, D is equal to 2. And how many other rows? 30 rows are there totally. So number of rows n is also given, that is 30. Let us now find out the nth term, that is the 30th term. We want to know how many are there. So let us write down the formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. N is 30. So substitute here. 30 minus 1 is 29. Put d is equal to 2. Simplify. You get T30 is equal to 78. So the number of seats in the 30th row will be 78 seats. Question 11. The sum of the 3 consecutive terms that are in AP is 27 and their product is 288. Find the 3 terms. Okay. So let the 3 consecutive terms be A minus D, comma, A, comma, A plus D. You can see that the difference, common difference is D here. Okay. The second term minus first term will give you D. Third term minus second term will give you D. So these are the 3 consecutive terms of an AP. Now their sum is equal to 27. So when you add them, you get 27. So add it, you will get 3a is equal to 27, a is equal to 9. Their product, when you multiply them, you will get 288. So multiply the 3 terms. So a minus d into a plus d is a square minus d square. A into a square minus d square is equal to 288. So substitute a as 9 here. D we do not know. So let us simplify. So a into a is 81. So a 9 into 81 minus d square is equal to 288. So bring it, divide it, you will get 81 minus d square is equal to 32. 288 divided by 9 is 32. So d square is equal to 81 minus 32, 49. So d will be plus 7 or minus 7. Supposing a is 9 and d is plus 7. Now you substitute in this AP, these 3 terms. So here a minus d, that is 9 minus 7, comma 9, comma 9 plus 7. Okay, so let's write it like this. Then this is 2, 9 as it is, 9 plus 7 is 16. So the AP will be 2, comma 9, comma 16. Supposing d is minus 7, because we got 2 values of d, plus 7 and minus 7. Then again you substitute, you will get AP as 16, comma 9, comma 2. Question 12. The ratio of the 6th and the 8th term of an AP is 7:9. Find the ratio of the 9th term to the 13th term. So 6th term, you know that it is given by T6 is to T8. The ratio is equal to 7:9. Okay. Now we are going to use this formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d and write down T6. So you substitute n is equal to 6. You get 6 minus 1, 5. A plus 5d. So here it is a plus 5d upon is 2 means divide. Okay. A plus 8th term. So n when you put 8, you get a plus 7d. So 8th term will be a plus 7d. So a plus 5d upon a plus 7d is equal to 7 upon 9. Now do the cross multiplication. You will get 9 into a plus 5d is equal to 7 into a plus 7d. Okay. Then you can open the brackets and simplify. You will get a is equal to 2d. This is what you will get. Okay. Now let us find the ratio of 9th term to 13th term. That is, you want T9 is to T13. That is, you know what is T9? A plus 8D. The same formula you're going to use. A plus 8D is to A plus 12D. T13 means A plus 13 minus 1. That is 12D. Okay. Now in place of A, you substitute A is equal to 2D. So you get 2D plus 8D is to 2D plus 12D. What is 2D plus 8D? 10D. 2D plus 12D is 14D. Okay. So this DD will cancel. You will get 10 is to 14. That is 5 is to 7. So the ratio T9 is to T13 is equal to 5 is to 7. In a winter season, let us take the temperature of Ooty from Monday to Friday to be in AP. The sum of temperatures from Monday to Wednesday is 0 degrees and the sum of the temperatures from Wednesday to Friday is 18 degrees. Find the temperature on each of the 5 days. So in this sum, what they've done is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 5 days they have recorded the temperature in Ooty. They found that the temperature is in arithmetic progression. All the 5 days it is in arithmetic progression. And the sum of the temperatures from Monday to Wednesday, that means Monday plus Tuesday plus Wednesday is 0 degree. And sum of temperatures from Wednesday to Friday, that means Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, when you add it, you will get 18 degrees. Asking us to find the temperature. Okay, now let us write down the sum. Let the 5 days temperature be A minus 2D, comma, A minus D, comma, A plus D and A plus 2D. Why we are writing like this? Because the temperatures are in arithmetic progression. It is given that the temperatures of the 5 days are in arithmetic progression. So these values are in arithmetic progression. Okay. Now the sum of the first 3 days is 0. So first 3 days means A minus 2D plus A minus D plus A. These 3 values you should add. Put it equal to 0. Simplify it. You will get A minus D is equal to 0. First equation. Sum of the last 3 temperatures is equal to 18 degree. Last 3 means A plus D plus A plus 2D. So here it is equal to 18. Simplify, you will get A plus D is equal to 6. Now add these 2 equations, first and second. The D will get cancelled. You will get 2A is equal to 6. That means A is equal to 3. Now you substitute in this A is equal to 3 in the second equation. You will get D also equal to 3. So you got A, you got D. Both the values are 3 degrees. So now substitute here. So you will get the temperature on Monday. That is A is 3 minus 2 into 3. So A minus 6 is minus 3. See, here it is. First temperature. Minus 3 degrees. Then the next day, A minus D. A is 3, D is also 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0, 0 degrees. Third day, A, that is 3 degrees. Fourth day is A plus D. A plus D is 6 degrees. And Friday is A plus 6. That is 3 plus 6, that is 9. So these are the temperatures from Monday to Friday. So in this sum, it's very important to write this correctly. Once you write this correctly, it is very easy to solve the sum. Question 14. Priya earned rupees 15,000 in the first month. Thereafter, her salary increased by 1,500 per year. Her expenses are 13,000 during the first year and the expenses increases by 900 per year. How long will it take for her to save 20,000 per month? Okay, first let us try to understand the sum. What it says is that Priya, the first month, that is the first year, what has happened is she earned 15,000, she spent 13,000. So how much money did she save? 2,000 rupees the first year. Then what happened is next year her salary increased by 1,500, but she spent 900. So how much did she save? 1,500 minus 900, 600 rupees she could save the next year. Extra she could save. She could already she is saving 2,000, but next year extra 600 she can save. So 2,000 the first year, 2,600 the second year. So every year this happens. Every year she gets an increase of 1,500 and she spends 900. So the third year she will save 600 more. So you add 600 here, so 3,200. This is the third year. So on every year she is going to increase her savings, is it not? Her savings is increasing. But it will take many years for her to save 20,000 per month. She wants to save 20,000 per month. After how many years will she be able to save? That is the question. Okay, so this is an AP. You can see that arithmetic progression. This is A, 2,000. D, the common difference, 600. Okay, Tn, the nth term. We do not know n, but we know what will be her savings. That is 20,000. They are asking after how many years. This n is years. Okay, so let's write down Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. So Tn we know 20,000, A 2,000, n we do not know, leave it as it is, n minus 1, D is 600. Okay, open the bracket, this will become 600n minus 600. Okay, so this 2,000 minus 600 is 1,400. Bring it on the left side, 20,000 minus 1,400 is equal to 600n. This is 18,600 is equal to 600n. N is equal to 18,600 upon 600 is equal to 31. So she will take 31 years to save 20,000 rupees per month. So here we come to the end of the exercise. Please go through the video once again. Pause the video in each sum and practice them.